Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Udemy Instructor account and upload course content step by step clearly. To activate your Udemy Instructor account and upload course content, first, go to the Udemy website. Click on the Teach on Udemy button at the top of the page. If you already have a Udemy account, sign in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, select Sign Up to create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the instructor dashboard. Here, you will see prompts to set up your instructor profile. Fill out the required information, including your bio and profile picture. Next, familiarize yourself with the Udemy course creation guidelines. After reviewing the guidelines, select Create New Course from the dashboard. Choose the course format that best suits your material. Enter a clear and engaging course title. Write a compelling course description that outlines what students will learn. Select the primary category and subcategory. Set your course's target audience to help potential students find it. Now, proceed to the curriculum section. Here, you can organize your course structure. Add sections and lectures for your course content. For each lecture, you can upload various file types, such as video, audio, and documents. Make sure to provide engaging video lessons, as they are a crucial component of online learning. After uploading your content, add quizzes and assignments if applicable. Once your curriculum is set, review your course settings. Choose the pricing option for your course. You can set the course as free or choose a price for students. Review and agree to the terms of service and instructor policies. Finally, click Publish to make your course live on Udemy. After publishing, you can monitor student engagement and feedback through the dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.